Hey guys, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to find the derivative of x using the limit definition. If you want to learn more about derivative, please visit mathstoon.com. Now let's start. From the first principle, that is from the limit definition, we know that derivative of a function f(x) is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. Now to find the derivative of x, we need to put fx equal to x here. So put fx equal to x. That will give f of x plus h is x plus h and fx is x. So finally we get derivative of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 x plus h minus x by h. Now simplifying this fraction we get h by h, which gives us 1. Now we know that limit of 1 when h tends to 0 is 1. So finally we get derivative of x is equal to 1. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.